Welcome back, students. So we are moving on to our next question, question number 5. It is again from chemistry. So let's see how to write the answer to get full 5 marks. The question is, there are two parts, A and B. The A part is, identify the compound of calcium which is yellowish white powder. So calcium ka compound जो yellowish white होता है, that we have done in chapter number 2, that is acids, bases and salt. So you will write your answer in points only. This is answer number 5, A part. So first they are asking, identify the compound of calcium which is yellowish white powder and is used for disinfecting drinking water. So again it proves it is a compound of calcium and chlorine, which is bleaching powder. Write its chemical name and formula. So you will write compound is bleaching powder and its formula is CaOCl2. That is calcium oxychloride. They are asking the chemical name and formula. So this is the common name. This is chemical formula. Now we will write chemical name, which is calcium oxychloride. So this completes the first part of the question. Second part is, how is it manufactured? अब आप bleaching powder को कैसे बनाते हैं? So we prepare bleaching powder by passing chlorine gas over dry slaked lime. So you will write, it is prepared by passing chlorine gas over dry slaked lime. This is the condition of the reaction, that this reaction will take place in dry conditions only. Next they are saying, write the chemical equation for the reaction involved. So we have to write its equation. The equation is slaked lime is calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice, which is a solid. You will pass chlorine gas from this. You will get calcium oxychloride, which is a solid, along with water, which is a liquid. Okay, so you can write the names of all things. This is slaked lime, this is chlorine gas, this is bleaching powder, and the last is water. Now the next they are saying, also list two other uses of the compound. One they have given in the question, that it is used for disinfecting drinking water. So you're not supposed to write this one, you're supposed to write the other two. Now bleaching powder is used in many things. The first one is in laundry for bleaching cotton clothes. Secondly, in paper industry for bleaching wood pulp. Third, for making wool unshrinkable. Fourth, of course, for disinfecting drinking water. So there are many uses of it. You can write any two. So I am writing first one, used in paper industry, used in paper industry for bleaching wood pulp. And second, I'm writing used for making unshrinkable wool. So this complete the next part of it. If I divide the numbers also, it's a 5-mark question. So 1 mark is for chemical formula, chemical name. 1 mark is for how it is prepared by passing chlorine gas over slaked lime. 1 mark is for writing this chemical equation. 1 mark for writing 2 uses. So that makes up to 4. The last is B part. In B part, they are saying, write the balanced chemical equation of chlor-alkali process. So, बच्चे chlor-alkali process, you must have studied that it is used in the making of caustic soda, which is NaOH. So, chlor-alkali process के लिए हमारे पास reactants क्या होते हैं? We take brine. Now, what is brine? Brine is a concentrated aqueous solution of NaCl. So, you will take NaCl and you will dissolve it in water. This combine is known as brine. Now, what we do? We just pass electricity over this brine, through this brine actually. So you will get NaOH in the electrolyte, in the solution, then you will, which is aqueous. If it is there in the solution, that means it is aqueous. Along with this, you get hydrogen gas at the cathode and chlorine gas at the anode. So you can balance this equation. How to balance it? You will put 2 here because hydrogens are 2. So here they were 2 plus 1, 3. So you have to make it even numbers, 2. So now 2 here and 2 here. Now this is a balanced chemical equation, and the main compound which is formed is sodium hydroxide. So this is how you are going to write your 5-mark question. If you write this complete, you will get your 5 marks. 1 mark for this, 1 for second point, 1 for third point, 1 for fourth point, and 1 for this chemical equation. So for more such questions, just subscribe to my channel, CBSE Science with Astha. Stay tuned for the next question. Bye-bye.